Hey guys, Xfer Serum here, back with another video. In this video, we'll be making a Psytrance bass. It will sound stuff like this.
Duffel bag full of green shit.
So, let's dive into the preset. Select in the preset. Select square wave. For oscillator 1. Lower down 1 octave. Enable the filter. Enable oscillator B. We're going to use the square wave for oscillator B. Lower down 1 octave. And put it with unison to give it more white. Lower down the tune. And select FM from oscillator B for oscillator 1. Just like this. Let's shape the filter. We're going to use LFO1 to modulate it. Set to trigger. Just one here. Put it to drive. Fatness. Select mono. Then with the sub oscillator, select direct out, so you have a clean sub. Lower down 1 octave. Now we're gonna shape envelope 1. Lower down the sustain and the decay. Just like this. This will make it way shorter. Now we're gonna dive into the effects section. First, select distortion. Put it to the drive. And then we add envelope 1 to the drive. Just like this. Now we're going to use another filter. Select the filter and select low 24. We'll add LFO1 to it. Just like this. And then we're going to put up the drive and fatness as well. Like this. We're going to tune the cutoff later in this video. First select the chorus. Lower down the mix. It makes it a bit wider. And select the OTT. Put up the gain. And then some EQ in. We're going to use LFO1 to it. Narrow it to the gain. Just like this. A bit less heavy. And then an improve bell filter. We're going to push it around here. So enable LFO1 to it. Just like this. This will make it pop out a bit more. And that's it. There you already have your Psytrance bass. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.